drift bastante.
Oh man.
A severe winter storm warning is currently in effect for multiple counties across Michigan and the Lake Superior Basin. While this is not a catastrophic, record-breaking blizzard, the National Weather Service is warning that a persistent lake-effect snow machine is creating highly dangerous travel conditions across the region. If you are in the Upper Peninsula or anywhere near the lakeshore, you need to take this storm seriously. Right now, the Michigan Department of Transportation has fleets of snowplows and salt trucks out in full force. Crews are working around the clock to keep major highways like I-75 and US 41 open. However, they are fighting an uphill battle. Heavy lake effect bands are dumping snow at a rate of 1 to 2 inches per hour. Combined with strong wind gusts whipping off Lake Superior, the snow is blowing right back onto the asphalt just minutes after the plows clear a lane. Because road crews are struggling to keep up with the rapid accumulation, local commutes have turned treacherous. State troopers are reporting a rising number of vehicles sliding off the roads and minor collisions. Beneath the fresh powder lies a deadly layer of black ice. Sudden whiteout conditions are dropping visibility to near zero in open areas, making driving incredibly unpredictable. If you hit your brakes too hard or turn too fast, you will lose control. Fortunately, there is good news regarding local infrastructure. The power grid is holding steady across northern Michigan. Utility companies report that electricity and heating services remain fully active. Widespread outages have been avoided. Homes are warm and lit. Fire departments do have one vital reminder for those sheltering at home. Step outside safely and ensure your exterior gas exhaust vents are not blocked by blowing snow, which can force deadly carbon monoxide back into your house.
Be safe.
Because homes are safe and warm, emergency management officials are issuing a strong travel advisory. Please restrict your movements today. Unless you have an absolute medical emergency, stay off the roads. Every stranded civilian vehicle becomes a dangerous obstacle for the snowplows trying to do their jobs. Give the road crews the space they need to work safely. Radar models show these heavy snow bands will continue to hammer the Michigan shoreline through tomorrow. It will take time for the road crews to fully catch up. We want to know what the roads look like in your neighborhood. Comment below right now. What city are you in, and how are the plows keeping up with the snow on your street? Stay warm, limit your travel, and let the crews work. Hit subscribe to Live Weather for the next continuous update.